Hey guys, and welcome back. So right here we have this 29 modes digital tense unit that helps with pain relief, that has a dual channel muscle stimulator with 8 electrodes. Alright, so right here is the TENS and EMS device for relaxation anywhere, anytime. So they do have specifications at the back, the model number, power device name, distributor name. This was made in China, the output. So let's go ahead and dive inside this machine, see what we get in this box. So this does have 24 preset modes, 5 custom modes, and the device looks a little bit different than the other ones that I have reviewed. So first off, we're going to jump into the box and see what we get in this box. So we have a little guide unit to basically tell you about the modes and the settings and the intensities, how you can change from different modes. So you got your intensity, you got your other mode, your mode indicator, preset mode, manual mode, normal mode, bust mode, pulse mode. You have intensity, battery indicator, strength duration 1 hour, strength duration 2 hours. So right here is how do you insert the batteries. These do take 3 AAA batteries, which are included. You get your 8 electrodes, you get the lead wires, you get the pad holder, so when you're done with using this unit, you could put your pads on there. This basically shows you how to connect the lead wires, connect the wires to the device. You can place the electrodes on your skin, turn on the device and select channels, select therapy mode, select intensity, set the timer, select the pulse, select the plan. So okay, let's go ahead and dive into the box. So you get the standard user manual, the TENS and EMS device. This just tells you about the devices, where is recommend for massaging points. They do recommend not putting it anywhere near your neck. So you got your back, your arms, your legs, even your ankle and your foot. Here's your intensities, your pulsations. So this just tells you a little bit more about the device. It tells you how to put the placements after you're done using it, before you're using it, how to charge it. So here is the little pads. This one does come with 4 small little pads. So these would be good around small areas. You do get a little mesh bag, so you can take it anywhere you want. The great thing about this, it is 29 modes, 5 custom stimulation modes to meet your requirements for professional users. You get some other mid-size pads. So you get 4 of those ones. And then you do get 3 AAA batteries, which is included. Other ones that I have reviewed actually has batteries that are already inside of it, not these kind of batteries, but this one gives you an option. So now here is your connecting wires to connect to your device to the electrode pads. This will go connected into the electric pads, and the white part will go into the machine itself. You get 2 because this is a dual massager. So you get 8 pads, 2-inch pads, 4 pieces. You get 1.3-inch round pads, 4 pieces, dust-proof bag, a bag holder, and a cable tie. And this is where you will set your pads once you are finished with them. So you get all these pads right here. And then you get the pad holder. So you can put it on either side. It's reversible. So with the TENS and EMS, relieve your pain, improve muscle performance. Independent dual channel, use independent intensities and modes to 2 different areas, safely multiple for your pain relief modes. It gives 5 adjustable modes. You got normal, burst, modulated, strength, duration, 1 and 2. Meet the customized needs for professional use. So if you've gone to professional doctors for pain relief, this is so much like that. So some of the preset modes offer you hammering, kneading, shiatsu, and more choices to help relieve pain associated with aching, fatigue muscles in the shoulder, lower back, knee from exercise, normal household or work activities. There's your power button, time, you got your menu, you got your channel 1, channel 2, and then you have your adjusting settings, channel 2, channel 1. See, it tells you right here, you got your power button, channel 1, channel 2. You've got your mode, your W for your pulse, your F to adjust the pulse rate, and the 1 is just the timer. This is a pretty nice tense unit. If you're looking for pain relief, this is definitely one to check out. It is a dual one, so you can do 2 different areas. So you want to do your left side and your right side of your upper back or lower back. I would definitely say check this one out. This one does come included with everything you see here on the screen, the batteries, the pads, the pad holders, the user manual, the device itself, and the wires to connect to the pads. I would say definitely check this one out.